Hey, what's up? So, how do you download and install Microsoft Teams? Already covered how to install it, so we're gonna see how to download it. So, let's go to my screen really quick, and if you see here, I'm in Microsoft Teams official page right now. So, what I'm gonna do is go to your favorite search engine. It could be DuckDuckGo, Google, whatever you want. So, I'm gonna go to DuckDuckGo because one, it doesn't have ads. Two, it's private. What is private nowadays? But this one is more private than Google for sure. So go there, and then this is the URL here in case that you're looking for it. And then you're gonna type download Microsoft Teams. Wow. All right, it's loading up. Come on, man. And then you're gonna click the first one since it's not an advertisement, and then you're gonna click to download for desktop because I'm betting that you're on your computer right now and you want your thing for the desktop. If you want it on mobile, then download the mobile version. Once you download it, just run through the install. You're gonna have 3 different licenses to choose from. One, the pay one, which is gonna be a corporate level. Most likely you're gonna have to talk to your IT manager or whatever. It's in corporate. If you work for a company, you'll know it. The second one is for students. Your school IT department will provide you one license. And the third one is the free one. So you can download it, you can install it, and you can register for free. It's all good. Now you won't have as many features as the one that the corporate level has, but you can use it. You can set up some channels there and work and play around with it. So it's all good. So again, just go to this website and download it there. Depending on your operating system, I'm using Mac because I like it for programming, and that's out of topic. Anyway, so whatever operating system you're using is going to show it here on the bottom, and just download it there. But I would choose this one here. It's easier. It's the first one. So that's it. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more.